You're not going to believe what I found at the thrift store today. I mean, this was bagged. It wasn't. I mean, it looks like a. It was. It is. It's a little JVC camcorder. 20 gig hard disk drive. Megapixel. I mean, funny story. I actually wanted to try and get one of them hard drive camcorders when I got my Samsung HDMX F90, but they were just a little bit out of my price range at the time. Plus, I still had Samsung, so, well, I mean, I was still using and was still. Well, I don't know where this is going. Technically, I'm using a Samsung, this out of service S6, but either way. But yeah, this looks like it's got everything in it. So I'm gonna open the bag up and check it out. Alright, that was easier than I thought. Well, here's the video camera. I mean, look at that. Look at that. And it's. Ooh, this is gonna be good. Made in Japan. So you know it's gonna be good. It's a model GZ-MG40U. So, yeah. It's got a battery. AV out, and it looks like it even has the USB thing. Perfect. Oh, look, lens cap. Here's some other goodies, which is zip tied together. So, let me get this open. Okay, I have no idea what these things are. I'll figure that out later. A instruction guide, and it says what this is: GZ-MG40U mascot capsule, whatever that is. Ooh, Dolby Digital Stereo. And what looks like some digital photo navigator software, and amongst other things. I'll go through that in a minute. Unless there's something else that I saw. Holy shit. Okay, this I had to. I mean, electronics 2, 3, 4, and 5 year plans, mega performance guarantee. It's the best value on the planet. 4-year JVC camcorder from Nebraska Furniture Mart. Yeah, obviously it was bought local. And not only was it bought local, it was bought. Let's see if I can find a date when this was. September 30th of 2005. So, yeah, at approximately 11:11. So, yeah. Cool. So I'm going to go through the rest of this stuff, and maybe if I can find the adapter, charge this camera up and see what we got, if anything. Okay, I got the wall wart plugged into this, and it's charging, so this is going to end up killing me. I'll take that off, but yeah, it's charging. I did hear it go chirp chirp, so I'm going to let this simmer for a bit, and then we'll see what we got. Oh, there we go. For some reason it was left on, so I'm just going to let it simmer and then we'll see what we got, if anything. But I also noticed it's got a little memory card inside, so how big is it? 512 megs. Not even half a gig. But so yeah, I'm gonna let this simmer for a bit, and then we will go from there, if anything.
2 hours later.
Okay, it's been fully charged, because when it's charged, the battery light goes off. So let's see what it can do right now. Okay, we're gonna have to do a little bit of creative installation things because I tried to hook up the camera to the computer and it said it wouldn't work. So thankfully it has an install disk. Whether or not it works, I won't know. Because this is from 2005, so maybe when people are still running XP, so we'll see what happens. Well, it's going. It says select to choose what to do with this disk. Install it. What do you want me to do? Oh, there we go. Yes. I guess we're gonna try, because the digital photo navigator thingamajobber, it's got one of them micro SD cards, so I can just easily slide it in. Setup is preparing the install shield, which will guide you through the rest of blah blah blah. The installation will be terminated at this time. This software is intended for Windows 98, SE, ME 2000 or above versions only. Gee, I wonder why. We'll keep trying. Let me see what I can do. Okay, I must have done something. Yeah, I'll get to that in a minute. I gotta show them. DCM is the camera. Let's see what the... This folder is empty, so it's probably just saying the, Okay, well I have it on the pics, so let's put it back on the video. Oh, it says SD video. Okay, so we got something. And I got nothing. There's an included MPEG 2, which can't be supported. Wow! This camera is so obsolete. Which may not be a problem. I can probably just get my old XP laptop back. Missing codec. We don't support. Okay, so obviously everything... So, oh, shut up. Okay, so I guess this camera's obsolete. Well, it still works, it won't work unless I get an older system. How nice. How nice. Well, I guess that's going to do it for this video, this fail video of this little JVC hard drive camcorder, model GZ-MG40U. And the idea was there. But I guess it got donated because it's obsolete. Because we all have our phones now that can do 8K, and this one's still standard 4.3. But I can probably work something with it. Just get my XP laptop back, and we'll work with that. Because I like to go back to the standard, simple things. And I think I can set this to where it looks like crap, and it looks like a toaster, front of a toaster, or potato. Who knows? That time will come when it comes. So till next time, whatever it is, I'm going to say thanks for watching. Come back, so.